you made it this far in the video, now we're gonna be getting into making some fits. And I have a couple clothes here today, really more than a couple, I ain't gonna lie. Quick fit check, you know what I'm saying? This necklace that I borrowed from my mom. Then we have this that I purchased like 2 years ago. And then this, I actually custom made this. This is pretty cool. I made this like a year ago. Green bomber jacket, Bob Marley t-shirt. These are some pants that I got from the Goodwill. This I got from Depop, and the Doc Martens I got from, I want to say I got these from Journeys back in my hometown. So let's get into it, man. All right, so for our first look, we're starting off with a flannel, the butters, baggy jeans, a white t-shirt for the base, and then my favorite Got Jesus cap for the top. And so this fit, you can really rock this in summer, spring, winter. Those would be the go-tos for me, like, when I'm putting together something like this. I'm really big on the oversized, like, pants type look, if that makes sense. I'm really into that right now. If you haven't tried that before, try to incorporate that in your style. Doing oversized clothes, because it's pretty cool, man. I'm really loving it right now. As far as where to find baggy jeans and flannels and stuff like that, you can go to Depop, Grilled. I would try to not use Grilled too much because they be taxing on there and don't nobody want to do that. But try Depop. Any secondhand thrift stores that are around you, please try that. So yeah, that's the fit for this. I don't know what else to really say for that. So yeah. All right, and then coming at number 2 on our list, we got the pinstripe button-up, Doc Martens track shorts, and then we got a camo hat with some custom pins that I've thrifted. And so for this look, you can also wear this in the summer. It's pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? Like, we got the oversized shirt, and we got the hoochie shorts. You know what I'm saying, for the men. Then we got the jewelry, of course, and the camo hat. I really see a lot of people do this on Instagram, and this is my first time actually trying this in this video. And I said, let me just put together something and see if I can cook up something. And I feel like I kind of cooked a little bit with this. I'm really messing with this. So if you want to try this look, definitely recommend experimenting and trying it. I feel like these colors mesh together well, so I really enjoy doing this look. All right, and then for the number 3 spot on the fit list, we got the yellow zip-up jacket, Doc Martens plaid shorts, and then we got an LA hat with some custom pins that I put on it as well. This fit you can also do in the spring and summer. I guess you could try it in the winter, but if y'all can handle your legs turning into popsicles, then that's on y'all. But me on the other hand, I'm gonna say this for the summer and spring and stuff like that. But yeah, I just really like how the yellow jacket just complements my skin. I feel like it makes it just makes me stand out a little bit more in the fit, if that makes sense. I don't know if y'all understand that, but it just really complements my skin. So yeah, just try that, and try to find colors that complement you. So yeah. All right, and then for our 4th fit, we still got the white t-shirt, Doc Martens. We got some corduroy pants right now, and then the LA hat that I was already wearing. And so for this fit, this is just something calm that you can wear. You can wear this in the spring, wear it in the summer as well, and also, you can wear it in the winter if you want to. I would probably get maybe a wool coat to throw over, and other than that, you'd be straight. But this is a pretty simple fit, nothing too crazy. We just on our calm stuff, you know what I'm saying? So definitely try this. I feel like right now, I feel like a lot of people are sleeping on corduroy pants, and they're going crazy, especially these olive green ones that I just caught. Definitely try to tap in with the corduroy. And then last on our list is another simple fit. Still the white t-shirt for the base, Doc Martens track pants, and then I didn't put the hat in here, but I also have the camo hat, you know what I'm saying? And this is like if you dang, what would you wear this? just on a chill day. Like maybe if you are around the house, you know what I'm saying, you could wear this. Or if you're going out making a store run, you could do that. Just some chill stuff. We're not doing nothing too crazy. You know what I'm saying? So definitely try to come up with some things with like sweatpants. I know that they're popular right now. So try to find you some cool ones.